take your hand and make it true. No one knows how far apart we've stayed to get through. I wish I could take your hand and make it true. 'Cause no one knows how far apart we stay to get through. Can you say I swear on the cross? Can you promise that to the grave? Yeah, take my name. Can you promise me? Just for now.
Today, we are just living life, kind of seeing what happens. So I had a really long workout because while I was at the gym, I tried to figure out a problem with the wheels and tires I've been trying to order. They were on back order, so I had to call the company and see what the deal was, how long the wait would be, and they said, oh, it's going to be a really short wait. So I ordered the wheels and tires right then and there on the phone with the dude. He was really helpful. His name was Andrew from Fitment Industries. Thank you, Andrew. You're the GOAT. And the Corvette's going to look sick. It's going to take a couple weeks for the wheels and tires to get here. They're mounting and balancing them. They're putting tire pressure monitor systems in them. Yada, yada, yada. They got to ship it all over. So I'm really excited about that. It was a big investment, but it's worth it because, first of all, you need to love your car. Second of all, your car needs to be safe, especially this one. This car is not safe. It is, it's kind of a death trap combined with a Lockheed Martin missile. Has an LS1 V8. It's too powerful for its own good. The point being, I love this car, but it's not safe due to the tires and the wheel setup that I have on now, which is just the stock wheel setup. But I have huge plans for this car. I have a whole list of what is wrong with this car. Each new line is another problem. And this is just from the first month of owning it. But I love this car. This is like why I bought the car, because I wanted to work on a car and I wanted to build a project. I wanted something to work on. I wanted something to focus on. I wanted something to hyperfixate on. You know me, having ADHD, I need something to just like lock in on. So that's why I got the car and I love it. It is time for lunch. I am bulking and I am very bloated all the time and it sucks and I breathe really heavy all the time. But hey, it is what it is. You gotta make the gains. So I heard a slapping noise coming from my rear left tire on the way home. Turns out it is flat. I have these other two wheels that are from the original set of wheels that came with this car when I bought it. We'll see how it looks. Who really cares? I have the new wheels and tires on the way. The next thing we need to get to is the alignment on the front wheels. I was driving in the rain today and it just felt really squirrely. Now that could have been because of the flat tire, but still I know that the alignment up front is not dialed. So we're gonna fix that now, hopefully. See what we can do. Also, while we're in there, we need to fix the steering wheel because it's crooked. Okay, I just finished working on the car. I adjusted the alignment and it looks way better. The back right tire was like very much towed in, looked terrible, and it made like a humming noise when I drove. No more tire noise. The front tires are in a much better, much straighter, more aligned position than they were before. So I'm happy about that too. And I just got my package from Amazon. It's a new key fob, because mine has not been working, and something called a shift eliminator. Basically on these old Corvettes, they won't let you shift from first to second gear under certain conditions, which is really annoying because you're leaving a light and you try to shift from first to second, it's manual, try to shift from first to second, and it shifts you into fourth, and then it completely bogs down the whole engine, and now you're in fourth gear, so you have to speed up. It sucks. It's really fucking stupid. So everybody online is complaining about this. So I bought one because it annoys the hell out of me. It's a manual transmission. I want to be able to shift into whatever gear I fucking want at whatever fucking time I want. So that's why I bought it. So let's see if these things work. This is a shift eliminator. This is a new key fob. It's supposed to be a genuine GM part. So we will see if it works. Okay, the key fob works so far. The problem is that I won't know until maybe tomorrow or later if it continues to work. If it stops working, then there's a bigger problem than the key fob. It's the receiver in the car, but it should be fine. As for the other part, shift eliminator, I'm gonna do that another day because it's raining outside and I'd rather not lay down under my car in the rain. All right, it is time for an apartment tour. Starting with the best feature of the house is these big windows on the wall. We got my lockers that I got off the side of the road for free. Here's a Goodyear tire I got on Facebook Marketplace. And then This was actually used in a real NASCAR race. I thought that was pretty sick. And then this piece of glass I got from a clock that I bought from Target. I just took the glass out, put it on top of it, made it into a little side table. Everything over here, this is kind of just design choices, but this is a real sword. First thing you see when you come in sometimes. So it's like kind of threatening. I like it. And I built this Porsche. Yeah, it took me like 4 hours to build this thing. Worth it. Plant. A little Target potter. I love that. I did all these shelves myself. They were grueling. Got a little candle from my friend Paula. Got my surfboard. My golf bag with all my golf clubs in it. I love this fucking lamp. Really good like accent piece for the room. Good lighting. I got this coffee table for $5 at Goodwill. It fits really well with the couch and the checkerboard rug, so I took it. And these are all my books that I've read throughout the years. And this is probably my favorite spot in the whole house. Nothing too fancy. I got another Supra that my brother got me that I made. Sick. And I got this plant. You get the point. PC setup, all black. Another plant. There's a night helmet I got for Christmas. So fire. And the bathroom. Nothing special, but I love it. And here's my kitchen. I love my kitchen. It's super clean. My fridge. Hell yeah. So that is my new apartment, and I am loving it here, dude.